There are specific individuals who are meant to see this video, and there are those who are currently involved in a case that is being investigated. Through a dream, it was revealed to me that there is a royal woman who was killed and buried in someone's yard. And she belonged to a Zulu royal family. And that woman is biologically linked to me. In this dream, the woman called me and she said she's looking for my help to locate the body. And there was a guy there to assist. I went to assist them and I was able to find the body. And after digging, we found the coffin. And I thought initially it was a body of a man, but only to find out later that it was a body of a woman. As we were opening the coffin, and some parts of the coffin fell into the skeleton, and we took out the pieces, and then we noticed that there was a broken rib cage. As we took out the body, I then saw a woman that actually resembled that resembled the owner of the skeleton, and I was being shown who that person was that died. And this woman spoke to me, and she told me that she was spiritually gifted, and I could see that she was. And she told me that they killed her so that bathwala ngaye. So the Zulu royal family used her powers. They didn't just kill her. And this was someone special, someone who was biologically connected to me. And the father whom this woman had a child with was involved in her murder. And this father benefited when it comes to using her powers, because naye wathwala ngaye. And there was something about 1912 and 1913 that was significant in the lineage of the Zulu royal family. Those who know will know the importance of that year. As I get more information, I will share, and the dirty secrets, they will come out.